This is the Honor 70. With a dual curved front and rear design, the screen and back cover are naturally symmetrical and comfortable to hold, although feels a little slippery. Measuring 161.4 by 73.3 by 7.91 millimeters, and with a weight of 178 grams and a 6.67-inch screen, this is a large phone, but the weight is well distributed. However, if you are looking for a smartphone that is comfortable to use with one hand, this is not the device for you. The Honor 70 comes with a 6.67 inches 2400 by 1080 pixels OLED screen, with support for up to 120Hz refresh rate, which makes the overall experience smoother. The OLED display supports 1B colors and offers good brightness that also works well outdoors. Colors are vibrant with strong contrast and excellent viewing angles. The curved screen along with its minimal bezels gives an immersive viewing experience. The Honor 70 features Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G+, Adreno 642 liters GPU, 8GB of RAM and 256GB built-in memory. The Snapdragon 778G+ along with the Adreno 730 offers flagship performance with no visible delay or lags. In terms of connectivity, the Honor 70 supports 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, GPS and IR. The Honor 70 has a triple camera setup, with a 50MP main camera, 50MP ultra-wide and macro camera, 2MP depth camera, a single LED flash and it's equipped with electronic image stabilization. The 50MP main camera produces clear images with balanced colors. The second 50MP ultra-wide produces detailed shots with good color and contrast, but lack in dynamic range. The macro camera can shoot macro images at up to 2.5 centimeters from the subject. It works well and does a good job of capturing the tiniest details. The Honor 70 comes with Magic UI 6.1, a skinned version of Android 12. The phone comes with a handful of third-party apps pre-installed, most of which can be uninstalled. Besides the new UI design, the interface has not changed too much and is highly customizable. In terms of OS updates, Honor has only promised 2 years of Android version updates. The phone comes with a 4600 mAh battery, which can last a full day of use. As for charging, Honor 70 supports 66-watt speeds. Charging the phone from 0 to 50% takes about 25 minutes or 50 minutes to fully charge. In terms of audio, the Honor 70 has bottom-firing speakers. The sound is loud and clear enough to fill a small room. The microphones also offer very good audio quality during calls. The Honor 70 works great if you are looking for a device that can be used for entertainment, photography, work and play. However, if you are looking for a phone with a more mature software and longer OS support, there are better alternatives. The Honor 70 also lacks wireless charging, Gorilla Glass protection, IP68 rating and headphone jack. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.